Open Start and type Setting. Open Setting. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset now. After Network Reset, restart your computer. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. You can also click on Search for Windows Update. If that didn't work, click on Uninstall Device. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should fixed.